How to make a cartoon video with ChatGPT. So if you want to make a video, then all you have to do is first of all open up your browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. I'm here with Google Chrome browser, and then in the search bar, search for ChatGPT. And here, after opening your ChatGPT, make sure to log in. And after logging in, on the message bar, search for a conversation that you would like to make a video on. So I'll be choosing a conversation between two people. So now after entering the question, click on the arrow and then ChatGPT will generate the answer. And then after the answer is generated, for now I have taken a short conversation. And after the conversation has been created, then you can go to Animaker website and then you can log in or create your account. And after logging in, you can choose any template that you would like. And here on the left side you will have your characters. You can choose any character that you would like, and then after choosing the scene you will have an option which says add a voiceover. So click on that, and here you will have text to speech. Click on that, and you can go back to ChatGPT, and then you can copy this one and paste the script here. You can choose the language and the voice. And after choosing all of this, you can simply click on play and you can listen to the voiceover, and then you can also add the timeline. So that's it guys, that's how you make a cartoon video with ChatGPT, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.